So this is 5 ways you can know if you need to do a detox. One being, if you wake up in the morning, you can't breathe properly out of your nostrils like this, then you need to do a detox. 2 being, if you have pimples on your skin, if you have a lot of pimples on your skin, then you need to desperately do a detox, because that is literally just parasites and it manifesting themselves on, your face. Number 3 is, if you have a lot of aching pains and a lot of inflammation built up within the body, you need to do a detox, period, point blank, okay? Number 4 is, if you haven't taken a shit, if you take like 1 shit a day, then you need to do a detox 100%. And number 5 is, if you are overeating like all throughout the day, you need to desperately do a detox, because that right there is showing you that you have no control over your own self. So who does at that point? You or them parasites? Either way it go, the people who already enrolled themselves into class as far as this raw alkaline detox challenge goes, they're gonna be the ones to really benefit, because it's 50% off. If you wanna join, hit me now before Monday. Take advantage now or stay sick.